Good morning students, how are you? Before I start my class, I want to introduce myself. I am Kirti Bana, I am from Rajasthan, I live in Delhi. I completed my masters in computer application. I have the teaching experience of 4 years and my hobbies are reading books and playing with kids, and I love to teach kids. So if you have any doubt, you can discuss with me. So let's start our class. Let's start Introduction to Python Programming. In this class, we discuss what is programming, what is Python, what is code, right? So, can you tell me what is Python? Can you tell me what is code? So, we can start with this session. What is code? Code is a computer program. Code is a computer program. What is computer program? Computer program is a set of instruction. Set of instruction. Right? If you want to become an IT engineer, you know everything about code, about program. A computer program is actually set of instructions that we give to a computer to tell it what to do. If we don't give any instruction, then computer don't perform any task. If we give instruction, then computer perform task. Okay, we understand what is instruction using real life example. For example, I instruct you stand up and close the door. Then you stand up and close the door. I instruct in English language because we both are connected, we both are communicate using English language. And similarly, computer understand programming language, right? So we instruct computer into programming language. We use programming to instruct computer. When we give command to a computer, computer perform set of tasks. What type of task? Any task. Like what type of task? Any task. Like website, web pages. If you want to create a beautiful games for yourself with the help of computer, then you use programming language. Ma'am, programming language means, for example, human can communicate with the help of any language like Hindi, English. Likewise, computer can communicate using programming language. We have to give these instructions to the computer in a language they understand. This is called programming language. C, C++, Java, Python, PHP, C Sharp, Swift. You can use any language to instruct the computer to perform a task. Nowadays, popular programming language is Python. So, we start with Python. We write code into Python. Tell me students, why Python is so popular? Tell me, what is the reason we go for Python? Why Python? Why Python? That's a good question. There are a number of things make Python extremely useful for coding for beginners. First of all, it is quick and efficient. It does not require any complicated symbol like $, but other programming languages require. It is user friendly. It is interactive shell. You can enter the programs and run them. It provides modules for kids learning. It is used for animation and graphics. Python also provides services for data science, deep learning, and AI. We start to write code in Python. Let me start with beginning how to install Python on your computer. If you have Windows in your computer, then we go Windows browser and we open it and type it www.python.org/ and we click go. Here open a window. Click download Python, that is latest version. Once the Windows installer downloaded, double click the icon and follow the installation instruction. Make sure you note down in which directory it installs Python. In the end, you should have Python entry in your starts menus, IDLE cell for you. IDLE cell is an interactive environment that allow experiment and edit text. IDLE means Integrated Development Environment. IDLE full form is Integrated Development Environment. It is editor window. It allows write your code, save your code and copy paste just like we do in word processor. It makes sure you write your code in the correct Python format. Python installed. Open the IDLE editor. You see something like this. This is IDLE cell. Here 3 greater symbols are there. It is called prompt. We write our code here. So let's we start to print hello world. Hello world is a common sentence. Every language use hello world first program. Why hello world? Because we say hello world in our programming language, right? So we start to print hello world. First we write print. After that small bracket open and close. In bracket we put double quote and we write hello world. If we put any sentence in double quote, then it is printed any sentence, right? So here is output is hello world. Output means result. Hello world are display on the screen. That is a output. And 3 greater symbols are there in the IDLE. That means IDLE is ready for next instruction. See, the computer did just what you command to it. Let me ask few questions. Answer we discuss tomorrow. Okay? Bye bye.